All right, so on the first question, we have Kanye West is buying packages of hot dogs and hamburgers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and label my variables. So in this case, I'm going to call X my hot dogs. Okay, so that's going to be my X, and then Y is going to be my hamburger. So we always label our variables first. Okay, so there's two different things happening in my question. The first one is he's spending a total of $25. So the equation that's going to have to deal with money is going to equal $25 because he spent a total of $25. Now, the equation that is dealing with the number of things he bought, okay, that's going to be a total of 9. So it's going to add up to 9. Okay, so I kind of know the two equations I'm dealing with, and I know what they're going to equal. Now, each hamburger costs $9. So I said hamburger was my Y, so that's going to be 9Y. And I also know that each hot dog costs $2. So hot dogs is my X, so I'm going to write 2X. So $2 for every hot dog plus $9 for every hamburger is going to equal to $25. Now, the other thing I know is that he bought a total of 9 packages. So however many packages of hot dogs plus the number of packages for hamburgers is going to give me 9. And that's all you guys have to do. This right here is my answer. I just have to be able to set them up.